Need to convert a PNG, WEBP, or HEIC image to JPG on your Android phone without installing extra apps? Here is how to convert any image to JPG step by step. First, open your Google Chrome browser or any mobile web browser on your Android device. Type in cloudconvert.com in the address bar and press enter. On the main page, tap the red Select File button. Choose Media Picker or Files from the pop-up menu. Locate the image you want to convert from your device's gallery or file manager and tap it to upload. Next, tap the Convert to drop-down menu next to your uploaded file. Select Image, then choose JPG from the format list. Once your target format is set to JPG, tap the red Convert button at the bottom right. Wait a few seconds for the file processing to complete. Once finished, tap the green Download button to save your new JPG image directly to your phone's Downloads folder. That is how you can easily convert any image to JPG on Android using Cloud Convert. If this quick tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech guides.